Alright, what else we got? Another one box, one thing. I'm really getting tired of that from eBay. I'm getting to the point I'm not bidding on stuff anymore. Since I really, really want it, it's pissing me off. Quit buying. We'll see how long that lasts. Ooh, fancy. Alright. There it is. Tachometer steel. It is a tachometer. Damaged too. Been dropped. So there you go. These are 1965. Oh, this thing's beat to hell. This thing's been crashed. It's damaged. Bent over. That sucks. Glass is still good though. That's about it. Face is good. It's a good parts one, but it's not good for use unless you want to damage one. You can still beat this dent out and make it work, but these are definitely over torqued, pulled up, and then bent. I got tried to rip out of a bike. This whole thing is all bent to hell. So they started using these Smith tacks in '65. So they were production in '67. For race bikes was '65, but '67 to '69 on Sportster they ran them. And they also had an FL option where you can put a tack on your FL. Started in '67, I think. So, oh well, kind of beat up. Hopefully I didn't pay much for it because it's definitely beat up. There's some original writing there. I can't read it right now. But maybe you can read it in blowing up. But anyway, this is a good parts one. Still works. See, it's not broken. So it's a good parts one. I have lots of these anyway. These are what I use on my race bike. I use these. So I get these rebuilt and they glue them together. They're good for me. I have them set at 8,000. I want to be accurate 8. Don't care about anything else than 8. Make it accurate 8. Everything else will be fine. These you get me within 25 RPM of being accurate 8,000. So when I rev my bike up, I know what it's doing because I rev them up. The highest I've revved my bike up was to the second zero on the 100 over here. That's as high as I've ever revved it. So, but I get up into the 0 all the time. So, you know, about 8,500. My old single-cylinder Sportster, yeah. I run it up a little bit. So you can see the guts down in there a little bit. Look like it's semi-clean in there, so looks good. All right, good one.